Hi, for Uber?
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. I noticed you ended the ride. What happened?
I just wanted to ask you something.
What?
Can you please drive me but for free, if it's okay for you?
Wait, what?
For free.
You want a free Uber ride?
Yes. It's not too long drive. It's like 10 minutes from here.
10 minutes? I was supposed to get paid like $20.
But please, it's okay. I mean, one time you can do this. But
This is my job. You want me to take you for free?
yeah.
Okay, well, what do I get? What do I get in return?
I mean, you get it. You want to go with me? I go to the party.
What party are you going to?
I just with my friends. They're doing some pool party, the barbecue stuff or something.
And what do I need a ticket or something?
I can take you with me. I got a ticket for free also, so we can do something with that.
So you want me to just not drive? I mean, I'm supposed to be making money.
You will someday.
You're just a girl. You like everything for free? Like, you go to the clubs for free, probably.
Stop. You don't like anything for free? You're judging me that I like everything for free?
You know how hard men have to work in life? We have to literally work 40, 50 years and in order to get an opportunity to be on a boat. And you're just a girl and you just, oh, I'm young, pretty, I'm going to go on a boat for free.
Yes. What's the problem?
It's not fair.
What is fair in this world? I'll take you to the party. So this is gonna be like a barter or something.
I need to pay my rent. How am I supposed to pay groceries?
Maybe you'll meet somewhere in the party and they will pay you for me.
You serious? This is what you do? Everything's for free?
I'm trying to. That's my goal. To get everything for free in this life.
Okay, honestly.
I got this life for free from my mother. I got this,
Your mom gave you a free life?
yeah.
You know she had to spend money on you, right?
I mean,
Not
didn't spend that money, but
Not everything's for free.
let's just drive, please. It's like 10 minutes. You're just wasting our time. You'll go with me. I'll take you with me.
Okay, fine. You convinced me.
Thank you.
But please wear your seatbelt, okay?
Okay.
Because if I get a ticket, that's not going to be free.